CargoLoc crossbars for the top roof rails. Comes with 1 Allen wrench and the keys. Show you how it hooks up real quick. I think I'm gonna stop. Okay. That. And to lock it down, you stick the Allen wrench in the hole here. Starts to tighten up, and you want to make sure you're pretty even with the other one. Yeah, I go all the way to the front pretty much. Make sure you're even. Tighten it up. Then you take the key. See right there, it turns red when you turn it. So that's how you lock it. Take the key back out. This side is locked, then you go do the other side. There you go. Lock that down like that. Put it in the middle a little bit so it's more even. Slides back and forth, but once you lock it down, it doesn't move again. So you tighten it up. Yeah, so there it is. It doesn't move this side. So you go to both sides, do the same thing, and it's locked down. Then you can tie your cargo on there, whatever you're putting on top. Take the key, lock this one. Now that you got it on there, take the key, turn it like that. That one's locked red, and yeah, it don't move. Then you lock the other side down. It works pretty good. It's got rubber cushions in the middle right there, so it shouldn't be scratching your rails. Nissan Rogue. Just wanted to show how it goes up there. I got those big straps on there, and I got it strapped down all the way around.